manalo sa mga judges natin, which is kayong lahat. Okay lang ba sa inyo? Okay, tingin naman kayo? Game. Okay, ito yung first scene natin. Okay na kayo? Ready ka na kayo? Hindi ka kami nalamig dyan. Anton, ready? Okay, Carmel, ready? Skydome, ready? Lights, camera, action. Magsusunod mo ka, di ba?
Just lock the door. Lock the door when you leave.
Ano sir?
Ready kayo? Ay, Gina Chisa.
Siyempre.
Dito?
Okay.
Excited ba kayo, Skydome? Mga cartoon, excited ba kayo? Ay, ano yun? Nakuso ba yung mga actors ko? Action! Hey! What the hell is that doing here? Lock the door. Sir? I said just lock the door.
Sir, po.
Lock the door when you leave.
Kala ko kasi sir.
Dapat tapos na ngayon eh, pero parang nag-enjoy ako. Gusto ba ng isa ba? May isa pa! Okay lang ba sa inyo?
Sige.
Okay, dito muna kayo. Ay, nakasave ako kanina.
Uwi ka naman isang gawin lang tayo. Ganyan.
Sige, teacher. Okay, kumusta yung mga actors ko? Okay naman kayo? Nag-guess yung mga eksena. Okay lang kayo? Okay lang yung mga blockings ba kayo na gagawin? ka ngayon para tumabi ako.
Ah, sige, sige.
Doon kayo galing. Okay? Ay, actors ready?
Kaya ano ba ang script?
Ay, wow! Paano nag-aaral ng script? Ano? Sabay-sabay pa kayo.
Okay, game.
Ready na yung actors ko? Okay. Lights, camera, action.
Movie ka na mag-isa, mag-aaway rin tayo.
Ayaw mo mag-aaway.
Bakit ka ganyan? Bakit ka ganyan? Anton!
Ano yung selos ako? Selos ako yung channel.
Meron ba kayong checklist na hinahanap sa tao? And nakita niyo na ba yung boxes na yun? Teka nyo ba? Meron ba kayong mga checklist? O, dahil dyan, sumayin niyo ako. Let's go! Moments din ba kayo na kinakausap niyo ang sarili niyo sa harap ng salamin? Sana all baliw! Pero kung baliw man kayo, mas baliw ako kasi ako kinakausap ko yung sarili ko talaga sa harap ng salamin. Na napapakatanong ko, ibigay mo sa akin ang tamang tao. Tamang tao, di ba? And yung lalo na kung pakiramdam mo may nagtitira ka pang feelings sa taong part ng past yun. Ako. Alam niyo na po kung anong kakantahin ko? Sabihin niyo pa ako, ha? Joke lang yun, guys. Parang ready na siyang gano'n ako eh. Joke lang yun. I love you so much, Father. You know what I'm saying? And of course, my mother. And of course, my cousin. Andito pa yung family ko. Yes. Hello to all of you. Of course, I know this. Hello to you. Of course, baby out. Bakit parang Pero I believe this is just the beginning of a beautiful chapter for me. And gusto ko i-add, not just only for me, but to all of us. Kasi kung hindi naman po dahil sa inyo, wala po ako ngayon kung nasaan man po ako ngayon. And of course, to my family, to my parents, and of course, to God. Lord Jesus Christ, you're the best. You know what I'm saying? And of course, ako po si Carmel, your new gen pop diva, and a proud Loren.
What's up, random people? Grabe. Skycom, may tanong ako lang ba? Parang may spark. Wala ka sweet chemistry ba? That's good. Ito na lang. Ite-test natin yung chemistry nyo. Napako si Waki. Sorry. Eto ang gagawin natin. Sino na to? Meron tayong i-play mga iconic movies. Mas i-play natin, all we have to do is act it out on the cue. Tapos tingnan natin kung pasado sa mga judges natin, which is kayong lahat. Okay lang ba sa inyo? Okay, hindi naman kayo? Game. Okay, ito yung first scene natin.
Gangster!
Okay lang kayo? Ready ka na kayo? Hindi ka naman nilalamig dyan. Anton, ready? Okay, Carmel, ready? Skycom, ready? Lights, camera, action. Magsusunod ka, di ba?
Ayaw mo kasi masaktan si Andy.
Just lock the door. Lock the door when you leave.
Ano sir?
Ready kayo? Ay, Gina Chisha.
Siyempre.
Dito?
Okay.
Excited ba kayo, Skydom? Mga cartoon, excited ba kayo? Ay, tapos ba yung mga actors ko? Action! Hey! Lock the door. Sir? I said just lock the door. Sir, wag po. Lock the door when you leave.
Kala ko ba, sir?
Ano ba yung actress, no? Pwede natin pa-guess, no? Pasado ka sa inyo! Alam mo, dapat tapos na ngayon eh. Pero parang nag-enjoy ako. Gusto ba ng isa ba? May isa pa! Okay lang ba sa inyo?
Sige, sige, sige.
Okay, dito na kayo. Ay, nakasave ako kanina.
Uwi ka naman isang gawi lang tayo. Hindi ka naman tayo. Ganyan.
Sinis ko, teacher. Okay. Kumusta naman mga actors ko? Okay naman kayo? Nag-guess yung mga eksena. Okay lang kayo? Okay na yung mga blockings ba kayo na gagawin?
Dito na lang kami, guys. Dito na lang.
Ito, kayo, para tumabi ako.
Ah, sige, sige.
Doon kayo galing. Okay? album launch mo dahil meron tayong konting surprise. O may mga tao na gusto din magpasalamat sa iyo for inspiring them.
Okay.
Okay?
Kinakabahan ako.
Ano ka, mahal?
Hindi ko alam.
Tapos yung mga eksena, wala na mga eksena. Pero, let's watch this.
Okay.
Carmel, congratulations sa launch ng iyong album. Kami na mga hurado dati ng Taong ng Tanghalan kung saan nakikinig sa'yo ay super duper bilib sa mga nararating mo ngayon. Make music that will make you happy and your fans.
And know that we are proud of you bilang isa ka sa pinakamagaling na produkto ng Taong ng Tanghalan. We're always rooting for you and God bless you. And alam ko na maraming pang biyaya. Blessings and ibigay sa'yo si Lord.
Carmel, congratulations on your very first solo album. Alam mo, hanggang ngayon, alam na alam ko yung feeling na ganyan nung time din na nagkaroon ako ng solo album. At sana marami ka pang mga songs na magawa. Sana mas marami pang mga tao ang ma-inspire mo through your music. Sana mas maraming album ang susunod dyan na happy for you and proud ako para sa'yo. Dahil alam ko naman na napakagaling mo talaga ng artist, napakagaling yung singer. So deserve mo lahat ng yan.
Hello Carmel, I just want to say congratulations on your new album. We're all very excited to hear your new music and we're so proud of you.
You deserve it kasi ang ganda-ganda ng voice mo, ang galing-galing mong kumanta, and you deserve to be heard all around the world. So congratulations and more albums to come. Carmel, congratulations. This is it na. I'm so excited for you on this new album. I'm so proud and so happy for you. You've always been very passionate with it and it's really your personality that always shines. And I love you so much, Carmel. Congratulations sa bago mong album. Alam mo yan, nandito lang kami palagi sa'yo nakasuporta. Hi, Carmeli! Carmel, I'd just like to say congratulations dahil ito ang first album mo at first album launch mo. I am rooting for you and for your future albums, future performances, at kung ano man ang gagawin mo sa buhay mo, support lang kita. I know that you are destined for greatness and I am so excited to see you fulfill all of those blessings. I'm so happy to also call you my friend. So congratulations, Carmel! Carmel, I just wanted to congratulate you on your album launch. This is a long time coming. You're gonna kill it. Love you! Sobrang proud na proud ako sa'yo. Really congratulate ikaw sa bagong album mo. Unang kita ko pa lang sa'yo kung performance na panganga ko talaga. Sabi ko, oh my gosh, yung batang to, going to be a star talaga. Love you, Carmel. Congratulations.
Hey, what's up Carmel? This is Tony Pangilinan. I just want to share to everyone, kaming dalawa ni Carmel, we don't have that awkward relationship. Lagi po kami nagpapansinan. Kapag nagkita po kami, hindi kami plastic sa isa't isa. I love you, Carmel, and we are such fans of yours. Dito sa ASAP, meron na kami tinatawag na i-Carmel mo yan kasi meron kang signature talaga na tone and we are very proud of you. Congratulations.
Carmel, I want to congratulate you. And I just want you to know na mula dun sa unang araw na magkatrabaho tayo for ASAP, meron akong na-feel talaga sa loob ko na parang sa puso ko na you were destined for something great. At alam ko itong album launch mo ay first of many other things that will come your way in the years to come. I love you, Carmel. We love you, and congratulations. You know that we've always been proud of you since the NT days, and you've gone a long, long way, and we're very excited for your album. So God bless you always. Just do Carmel. Do the best you can, and I always know that you do. God bless you, and congratulations.
Hi, Carmel! Congratulations! We've long been waiting for this moment. Ang iyong first album. And I love the first single. I really love it so much. Your interpretation was really very good and it touches my heart. Talaga napaka-heartfelt ng iyong rendition. And I'm looking forward to the whole album and listening to it very, very soon. Congrats! Love you!
Congratulations on your first album. Wow, you must be so excited. Now, I know that we've not really been close, but working beside you, watching you from a distance, I can see what a great, powerful, high-range singer you're going to be. You're going to change the world. Now, you're already working with the best people here at ASAP. You're on your way. Congratulations. God bless you. I'm honored, I'm proud to be singing and performing right beside you.
Congratulations, Carmel, sa iyong bagong album. We are very proud of you. At ang ganda ng bago mong song na ni-revive. Tuloy-tuloy mo lang yan. Ang galing-galing mo. At lalo ka pang gumagaling. And I know na mas gagaling ka pang bonggang-bongga. Basta lang maging masipag ka pa. Huwag lalaki ang ulo. At makikinig ka sa mga payo ng mga nakakatanda sa iyo. Continue to do your best. Mas galingan mo pa. God bless you and congratulations again.
Hey, what's up, Carmel? And congratulations on the album launch, on the new music. Looking forward to hearing it. And you know, as Coach says, I'm just proud of you, the person who you are, and just continue to keep growing, right? As a person, as an artist, and be good. And say hi to the whole family for me. So enjoy yourself today, celebrate, and peace.
Thank you so much po. Grabe, hindi ko pa nalaman na may mga paganyan sila. Iyak na ako. Here, pero thank you so much po, Coach Babu. Hello, Coach Babu. Miss Regine, hello po. Salamat po sa mga messages niyo po. Hindi ako na-pressure sa last mo kakantahin. Pero thank you so much po sa inyo. And maraming salamat po sa lahat po ng mga nagpadala ng message of support for me. And na-appreciate ko po lahat yun. And honestly, hanggang ngayon, parang surreal pa rin for me na nandito tayo. If you told younger Carmel na one day people would listen to her music and support her the way you all do. Siguro, hindi siya naniniwala agad. Kasi sa mga hindi ko nakakaalam, matagal po ako sa CR. Alam niyo ng mga housemates, kasi nagpa-perform ako sa loob ng CR. Yun. Sa totoo lang, umabot ako ng mga 3 oras. Agree yung mga housemates dyan, kinakatungan lang ako sa CR. Kasi walang lapel doon. So, tinatagal namin, so ako nagpa-perform concert siya doon sa loob. Kinakatungan nila pa, may violation siya. Anyways, joke lang yun. This journey hasn't been easy. There were moments na nagda-doubt ako sa sarili ko, totoo po, and actually now, nagda-doubt din po ako, but of course, kayo po yung lakas ko, kayong lahat. Again, kung hindi po dahil sa inyo, wala po ako ngayon po, and of course, God. And moments na gusto ko na sumuko, but because of all of you, my family, friends, teams, supporters, and everyone who believed in me, even before I believed in myself, nandito ako today doing what I love the most. And you all made me feel seen, heard, and loved. To the people who took a chance on me, thank you for seeing something special to me. I'll never take that for granted. And to everyone supporting me throughout this journey, please know that every achievement I reach will never just be mine. It will always be ours. Again, maraming salamat po sa inyong lahat, sa lahat po ng mga pumunta, nakikita ko po sa apps na pumunta pa po kayo dito, nagpupa po kayo. Maraming salamat po sa lahat po ng naniniwala at patuloy na naniniwala po sa akin. I love you more, ate! Hindi na kapalala siya, ate. Pero yun, mahal ko po kayong lahat. And mas mahal ko po kayo, huwag kayong makipagtigasan dyan. Ay, joke lang po.